So you just bought your new home and you're doing your due diligence during inspections of the home and you're anxiously awaiting move-in. You move in and bam, 2 weeks in, your sink starts leaking. That's gonna put a damper on your excitement. If you're about to buy a house, already purchased one, you're probably curious about what a home warranty is and what it actually covers. I'm Shannon Ellison with the Walker team, and in this video, I'm gonna explain exactly what that home warranty is. Quite simply, a home warranty is a service contract, usually for 1 year, where you pay a fee to protect yourself from the more expensive costs of repairing and replacing a home's major appliances and systems that break down from normal wear and tear. This is not to be confused with home insurance, which is a much different type of policy. So, what does it cover? One thing to know is that they will vary in coverage, depending on the company you choose and the level of coverage that you want. However, most home warranties will cover repairs to functioning parts of your home, such as electrical systems, plumbing, major appliances, heat and cooling systems, hot water heater, and if you want additional items covered, such as the roof, pool equipment, or additional appliances, that's great. The more you want covered, the more the cost of the annual policy will be. So how do they work? In the event that something stops working and you're not quite certain what the problem is, here is the usual course of action. First, you call the home warranty company to report the problem. Then the home warranty company sends a contractor to your home to take a look. Then the contractor tells the home warranty company what the problem is. Then if it's a repair that your warranty covers, the company pays the cost to fix it. If the issue is not covered by the home warranty, then you as the buyer have to cover the cost. So how much does the home warranty cost? Well, the annual is usually between $400 and $700, and that price is going to vary depending on the type of property you live in and the level of coverage that you're looking for. The benefit to a home warranty is that it helps protect you from the unplanned expenses and tend to make things a little bit more convenient than hiring a repairman last minute. A couple of quick tips: call the home warranty company before bringing in an outside vendor to do repairs, and don't agree to do any repairs that the contractor recommends unless you have the home warranty company's approval that it will be covered first. And then, who pays for the warranty? When making an offer on a home, it's actually a negotiable item where you as the buyer can incentivize the offer by offering to pay for it, or you can ask the seller to cover the cost. That warranty goes into effect the day that you own your new home. Are you on the fence about whether it's worth it? Well, at the Walker team, our level of service implores us to make sure our clients have one on their new home for peace of mind. It is so important to offer that security for our clients that we cover the cost as a closing gift for working with us. That's much better than a fruit basket, isn't it? Once again, I'm Shannon Ellison with the Walker team of Ontario, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. If you found this video useful, please share it with someone else that you know. I'll see you guys next week.